Good afternoon and a very warm welcome. You're watching Newsroom 365. My name is Amita Vadva. Top of 1 p.m. we get you the sensational murder case of Renukaswamy, in which famous Kannada actor Darshan, who has been arrested, that has been grabbing all the headlines. The horrific details of the crime that has left everyone stunned. And after his arrest yesterday, actor Darshan and his alleged also partner Pavitra Gowda has been sent to 6-day police custody. 11 others too who have been arrested and sent to police custody. It was an emotional scene at Renukaswamy's residence when his mortal remains were taken to Karnataka's Chitradurg district, where he is a native from. Shattered family members were yet to get a grip on the brutal murder of Renukaswamy, as his wife Shahana has been demanding justice for her husband's death and saying that they had just gotten married a year ago and that she was expecting. Now let's in the meantime get you the inside track of the details, as Times Now has been closely following up as we bring you the smallest detail in this murder most foul. Renukaswamy, the victim here, reportedly sent derogatory messages to actor Pavitra Gowda on their alleged affair with Darshan. And this all happened on social media accounts. Pavitra then informed this to Darshan, who allegedly asked his aides to track Renukaswamy to find out who was this person making such obscene comments on social media. On the 8th of June, Renukaswamy apparently was brought to a shed in Bengaluru, where Darshan's aides brutally beat him up. Darshan and Pavitra Gowda too visited the same shed, and Darshan reportedly also was involved in beating up Renukaswamy. Now, badly injured Swamy reportedly succumbed to his injuries. 3 men who were allegedly who had surrendered before the police, claiming to have killed Renukaswamy over a financial matter. Sensing something fishy, the cops grilled them, and sources said this is when the cops realized and stumbled upon when it comes to the alleged involvement of Darshan and Pavitra in the alleged involvement of this murder. Let me go across now to Neha. Neha, this is said to be the murder most foul. What all happened on social media? Did that lead to the murder of Renukaswamy? And exactly when it comes to the alleged involvement of 2 popular actors in the sandalwood industry.
Right, shortly after the arrest of both prominent actors here in the state of Karnataka, we're seeing how the entire modus operandi is now coming to light here. What led to the murder of Renukaswamy, where someone who is considered to be an ardent fan of the actor. We're now picking up, of course, the latest details here about how this murder was planned in the district of Chitradurga, in that shed, and then later how, of course, the murder took place in the shed and how his body was dumped in Kamakshipalya area of Bengaluru, where it was retrieved. Of course, this is nothing short of a very cinematic murder that's been committed over here. We're picking up that both the actors in concern have primarily been booked for orchestrating this crime. But, of course, the actual murder there, we're being told, was committed by the aides, by the associates of the actor. Of course, it still remains to be seen right now. The police, through their investigation, has even sought custody right now of 6 days. All of the accused, they're each being grilled separately, is what we're being told. But of course, it really remains to be seen right now if it was just a couple of derogatory social media posts that really led to the murder of, this man there, Renukaswamy. Remember also, there's a lot of anger right now that's building up against the actor. We're seeing protests having broken out in Chitradurga district, where those victims hail from. We're seeing that there is now even a demand that's being put forth to ban all of Actor Darshan's films that are supposed to be launching.
All right.
We're also seeing that some have even sought a CBI probe here.
Well, whether or not it will be taken up by the CBI, that remains to be seen. For now, it comes to the police that are investigating the case, and 6-day police custody that has been granted. Today being the second day, of course, we talk about